Hi everyone, we're going to make this beautiful bird. So we are folding this white paper and make a triangular shape. Now fold it from its sides, open it and make small pleats like this. Here we're going to do the same from other side. Now fold it into half like this. We're going to make the feathers here and look, it's done. Now pull the paper downwards. Now we're going to make body of the bird. So we're going to fold it like this. Pull down the beak and we're going to open the feathers from both the sides like this. Do the same thing from other side. Now curl it using a stick and it's ready. Look at this beautiful diamond with wings wand. Let's make it. We are folding this pink graph paper. Now make 3 folds. Then we are going to make multiple folds from all the paper like this. After this, again fold it. Here we are going to make these kind of folds for the diamond shape at the center. Now open it and start folding it again. You will get a shape like this. Now twist it again and we are going to make these triangular shape on it by folding it. We are going to repeat the same process over and over again from other side as well like this, and look, it's done. Finally we are going to tuck the paper inside like this, open it and your diamond shape is ready, and look, it's done. Now keep it aside. Now we are going to put a stick, paste a bow and wings, and look, it is ready. Look at this star-shaped container. Let's make it. We are going to fold this yellow craft paper, fold it into half, fold it again, make a triangular shape, cut it, open it, you will get a pentagon shape. Now we are going to fold it from its sides and make a star shape at the center. Flip the paper, again we are going to fold it like this. Now press it, your container is ready. Put your pearls and beads inside it. Here we are going to make this beautiful heart sticks. So fold this printed paper and again we are going to fold it from its top, make 2 triangles and make a strip of paper like this. Flip it and pull it downwards. Here we are going to make a heart shape, open it and again start folding it like this. Your heart shape is ready. Tuck the paper inside and make a stick like this, and look, it's done. You can make more such craft. We're going to make this paper pen stand. So let's get started. For this we are going to fold this printed craft paper. First fold into half, then make 4 partition, again fold it. Now we are going to flip the paper like this. Now we are going to make 2 such shapes and combine all of them together. We are also making the base for the stand. So fold this paper and put it at the base, paste it, and look, your pen stand is ready. Here we are going to make these cute little bunnies. So take a tissue paper, start rolling it, fold it into half. Now we are going to make the face of the bunny, so tie it using a rubber band. After this, draw its eyes, its smiley face. We are also putting this pink blush on the top of it, and look, your bunnies are ready. We're going to make strawberry origami today. So fold this pink craft paper. Now fold it from its sides. Here we're going to make the fruit. Now pull all the paper downwards like this. After this, we're going to gently open it using fingers and we're going to tuck the paper inside like this, all the 4 triangles. Now we're going to cut the calyx of the strawberry using green craft paper. Open it and curl it. Put a stick inside it and put it on the top of the strawberry, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.